up everyone, and welcome to this tutorial guys. Right here guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create amazing videos making use of this AI tool called Lumen5. So guys, simply go on to lumen5.com. You can easily grow your brand and drive demand with video at scale. Our online video editor or our online video creator makes it easy for anyone on your team to create engaging video content. So guys, how do you actually create an engaging video content using this AI tool called Lumen5? Guys, all you want to simply do is to sign up for free, and it's going to take you right onto this page whereby you are able to create amazing videos. As you can see, I've been able to create lots of videos by simply making use of this AI tool called Lumen5. So guys, you want to simply go on to new video right here. You want to simply just tap on a new video and it's going to take you right onto this page. So you can easily choose a template with recommended colors, fonts and styles, and are very ready to use. And you guys, you can easily skip this, but all I want us to do is to simply just choosing a template. So guys, if I simply scroll down right here, you are going to see a lot of templates that you can easily select from right here to create your videos, and more are still loading up right here. So guys, what I'm going to do right now is to simply just select a template I want to make use of. So guys, I want to simply make use of this particular template. So you simply just tap on that right there, and once you're done, you're choosing your format. I'm creating a YouTube faceless video, so I want to simply make use of 16:9 and go on to use this template. So once you're right here, you want to simply choose how to get started. You can easily make use of text on media, the AI voiceover and talking head. So right here guys, we want to simply create a video, so I want to simply make use on text on media, and you can also try out the AI voiceover and lots more right there. So I'm just going to go on to text on media. So right here guys, you can easily provide a URL to an article or a blog here to import its text and media, or you can easily add your text below. And once you're done, you click on to continue to make use of the AI scripts composer to generate some script ideas from your content. So right here guys, all I want to do is to simply just paste in a blog post right here that I have generated. As you can see, this is it right here. So once you're done with that, go on to continue with AI, and the AI script composer is just going to do its job right here. As you can see, the bots are thinking. Now this is just going to take in a few minutes for this to be done. So guys, as you can see, the AI script composer, it is done right here. Now you can easily just tap on to continue. Then right here, you can easily just edit your script and go on to check if there is any errors right here on your script. And once you're satisfied with everything, you want to go on to convert to video, and this is going to convert it right here for you. As you can see, these are the scenes generated for all of your video. We have 5 scenes right here, so it's just going to create the scene, and it's just going to take a few seconds for those videos to be done creating. So guys, as you can see right here, my scene are done creating right here. As you can see, it looks so amazing. Now I can easily decide to edit the script right here. As you can see, I can easily swap the design, shuffle colors, and also play the preview of this particular video, and also adjust the time for this particular scene right here. And if I am not satisfied with the layout right here or with the design, I can easily leave a comment right here, or I can easily just duplicate this scene. And guys, if you do not simply love this format right here or the layouts, you can go onto the media section and search for millions of photos and videos right here. You can also add in some GIFs right here to your video. You can also upload some media right here and add it to your scene right here. And if you also go onto the icon section, you can easily add in some icons right here to your video, and you can also upload some of them right here and add it right here to each scene. Right here guys, on the voice, you can easily upload voiceover for your video if you have a voiceover that you want to use for that particular video. And if you go into the music section, you can easily select some music right here, some background music right here for your video. But most times I simply suggest that you upload your own background music by simply downloading from the YouTube audio library to avoid copyright strike. And you can also add in some styles. You can easily change the format of your video. And right here guys, on your video resolution, you want to simply make use of 180p, but right here guys, 180p is only available for the upgrade plan right there, that is for the paid plan right there. And if you go onto the source right here, this is the AI script composer. You can decide to add in some scripts right here to your video, and once you're done with this, you can easily just preview your video to see how it actually looks like. So this is it right here. As you can see, this is the video right here that we have been able to create. And once you're done with that, go on to the publish section and you can easily just publish your video right here. So guys, this is how you're able to convert text to video right here, making use of this AI tool called Lumen5.